everyone, this is Yanda Girl Production here, and today we're playing Minecraft. Okay, so first of all, we have the instructions and the rules. Okay, so stay creative. I'm in survival. That. So first, no flying, no breaking blocks, stay in the map. If there's not light, stay out, stay in survival mode. No PvP ever, no multi-spec speeds. And the pier is now free and outside the theme park. This map is now in version 1.1. Must be used in 0.10. Has been released on MCP Universe. Comes with 2 attractions, multiple shops. Has been released on Minecraft Universe. 2 new buildings. All updates will reset the chest. Finally, is out on MCP Universe. Version 3 comes with the Fair Metro Station. Also has Mabarama, 2 new coasters. Yes, probably cleared 4. Version 4. Setting, plain peaceful, at least only 500 distance. Full brightness. Split controls recommended. Full pack recommended. Right? Full is also okay. Okay, so got it. Welcome to Turkey of Mobile. Important rules are behind you. Yeah, I read it. Okay, so we're gonna go to the metro station. Okay, so now we're here. Going there. We only got minecart on our way. They don't have any redstone in here, so the power will activate. I have no idea why they didn't add redstone in here. Going up. Hurry up. In here. Oops. Going up again. And over here. Something is coming soon. Oh, it's kind of full. I hope it is coming. And we have the Hornet. So this for people that don't easily hide the Hornet entrance. Okay, so guys, ooh, they prepared a minecart for us. This should be a short ride for me. It's a great view, huh? Come on. I bet it's hard. Okay, so we're almost to the top or bottom, which means there are 2 of this. One is from the other side and one is from the other side. Next, we're gonna go in there. Don't worry, guys. You will also have the fillings of the coaster. Right after this. Sorry if it's laggy. almost to the top. Just be patient. I will go to the Ferris wheel. Tip, 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 tip. We're almost to the exit. And we're going to the Ferris wheel, guys. One of these leaves. I don't think, no. Nope, I couldn't cut. And the next. Seriously? I should put a minecart in the metro station. Ready for that? And that. All done. Okay, so next. I think we're not going to be here. Is this a console? Seriously? It's a console. It's kind of cute. Okay, so but I pet a pig. Shoot the pigman. Ooh. I should get one more. I think I have 5 shots. Zip. Zip. You cannot escape from the cage, you clueless monster. Let's try a shot. Run here. Oh yeah. Lord. Let me spawn it. Oh my god. Stay away from me, you fool. Whoa. That was so nice. I think I'll cut this. It's so scary. Oh, fuck. Where are the space? I think I'll put it somewhere. Somewhere. There we have it. No more. Okay, so next, what is this? The venom. It's high too. I haven't tried this yet. Oh my god. It's gonna be so exciting. Oh my jeez, I don't want to ride yet. Oh my god. I'll just go turn around and walk around the rail like I can go suicide. Like that. Oops. Oops, I fell. Oops, that was a problem. Can't control that much. And oops again. I fell. So we're going on the top. And trees stop blocking in place. somewhere around safely. We should. Oh, so I think that's all for now for the theme park. So bye guys, thank you for watching. Also subscribe. Thank you.